Hi, my name is Vika. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Olympia. We provide businesses, startups, and solopreneurs with AI-powered virtual teams. Today I want to demonstrate you how I use Olympia for research. So I want to talk to Beatrice, our AI-powered marketing strategist. She offers me some prompts, but I'll just ask her what scenario for this tutorial we came up with last time. So you can see what she's doing under her name. So she's gonna search her memory to remember what we discussed about the scenario for this particular tutorial video last time. Here we go. She remembered the plan that we came up with. It's fantastic, and that's how our long-term memory works. So right now I want to ask her to do research about the state of AI in 2024. So she's checking the real-time resources and gonna search web and Google for the information. Okay, here are some latest reports on AI with the links provided. Now let's upload a chapter from Stanford report. Okay, give me a summary of this report. So we hit save. This is our document upload feature, and she will now analyze the document and provide the information, the summary that I asked for. Here we go. Create an uploaded document, asking to wait until she's. Here we go. The summary of the chapter 4 from AI Index report is this. Section covered. Wonderful, I think it's fire. So I will add an emoji here. Give me the takeaways from the full report. Now she's gonna read the URL and give me the key takeaways from the full report, because we analyzed and the document upload was of only one chapter. This is a full report, key takeaways. Cool. Now, according to all this information, what can you specifically know about the AI-powered virtual stuff? Several related aspects can be inferred and are relevant to the concept of AI-powered virtual staffing, and here are these aspects: AI in the job market, investment trends, impact, advancements, integration into operations. Considering this, what advice for the Olympia development can you give me? What features should we launch this year? So considering the trends, here's her advice as a marketing strategist. Great, I like that. So I'll give another emoji, the star emoji. And I have another question. Where does augmented AI stand here? What do you think about clones of humans. Is it a new and promising trend? Okay, I like this research and her advice on what should we do considering the report about adaptability training, ethical and responsible AI, customization, personalization, learning and adaptation, some aspects about human augmented AI, and significant challenges and concerns. So I did my research. I'm gonna ask her, how can we use this for our marketing? Should we do something about it? Okay, now, thanks. Give me an actionable plan. One. What are my next steps with this as a CEO? In order to propel Olympia forward and stand out in the competitive industry like AI. This is great. I can implement this in our work within our team immediately. And I love this. This is awesome. Okay, so we did our research. Thank you, Bea. I will make this public for you to check the link and read through everything she suggested and everything she found for me today. This is how potentially you can do your research. So our assistants can search web, can search Google, can fetch and read links, and you can use our document upload feature to analyze, for AI to analyze the data for your needs and goals. So thank you for your attention, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.